Go from Go's Fusion Kitchen, and today we're making an omelette. In today's recipe we'll need some herbs, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of milk, 20 grams of cheese, and a pinch of salt and pepper. To start off with, we need to whisk our eggs and milk together. Keep on whisking until your mixture becomes creamy and smooth. We add the milk just to make the mixture creamier. Now on to step 2 of our omelette. Start off by heating up the pan and then add some butter and oil to the pan. Make sure to move the pan around so the oil and butter is all over the pan. We add this so our omelette doesn't stick later on to the pan. Once the butter has melted, add in your milk and egg mixture. Make sure you spread it evenly throughout the entire pan so it's circle. Now let this fry for around 2 to 3 minutes until the bottom half is cooked. Once the bottom of the pan has been cooked properly, we can add our cheese and our herbs to half of the omelette. Once you've added your cheese and herbs, flip the other half of the omelette onto the other side. And let this cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. Once your omelette is on your serving plate, add a pinch of salt and pepper on top. Finally, garnish with some coriander.
And now it's ready to eat.
And safety tips while you're cooking. To make your omelette healthier, add some tomato and spinach. Also add some chicken if you wanted some protein. Make sure you don't burn yourself while frying the omelette. And remember to take away any shards of the eggshell from your mixture. Please like and subscribe this video. And remember to enjoy while you're cooking. Ciao for now!